Hi everyone, I'm Margaret. Welcome to the final roller coaster STEM kit video. I hope you all have gotten the chance to build your own roller coaster loop. Now let's pull out the worksheet. You've most likely already completed the first two tasks. Next is question number 1. What is the minimum height required for the roller coaster car to clear the loop? So just let the car go at 3 different heights on the track and record whether or not the car makes it through the loop. This experiment will test how well your loop actually works. So if I were to take my car and place it on this roller coaster loop at, say, this height right here, we can predict whether or not the roller coaster will actually make it through the loop. And I think that it's not high enough on the loop on the track, so I don't think it'll go through, but let's see. Yep. So the car doesn't make it through if I place it at this height, and you can just test multiple heights for your experiment. Now moving on to question number 2, if you need. If the roller coaster car is having difficulty completing the loop, what would you change to help? So you can just try testing out all of the strategies that you have. Now let's go over some important physics concepts. First, we have kinetic energy, which is the energy that an object has because of its motion. So when you have your roller coaster and you let it go, that has kinetic energy. Potential energy, on the other hand, is energy that is stored in an object. If our track was a little flatter at the top, or maybe there is some way to have the car at rest on the top of the track, so if your car could stay still at the top of the track, then it would have potential energy. Next, Earth's gravity is the force of the Earth that draws objects towards the center. So when we say that objects have weight, you always need to multiply the mass of the object by the force of the gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared, for the actual weight. So when the roller coaster car is trying to go through the loop, it always experiences a force of gravity that's pulling it towards the center of the Earth. So after this long designing and testing process, it's important to reflect on what went well and any challenges that you might have encountered. Be sure to note those on your worksheets as well. I hope that you all enjoyed this engineering design journey that we went on together. Be sure to check out all of our other engineering kits if you enjoyed this one. As a final part of our video, let's just see this roller coaster car go through the loop again. All right.